Let us look at the proof of ASA rule, and as this suggests, this proof is very important for the examinations. So try to understand this one, or if you don't understand, at least try to memorize this thing. So we again begin our proof with the general format of the proof: given, to prove, and proof. So what is given is that two triangles ABC and DEF, ABC and DEF, and it is given that angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and BC is equal to EF. So according to ASA rule, these two triangles should be congruent. But what we have to do here is that we should prove that triangle ABC is equal to triangle DEF without using the ASA rule. So in order to prove that triangle ABC is equal to triangle DEF, we use the SAS rule instead. So what is there to prove? We want to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That's it. अभी हमको क्या करना है? ये प्रूफ करना है. And to prove this thing, we will use the SAS rule. अगर हम ये प्रूफ कर दें कि ABC और DEF कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो ASA रूल प्रूफ हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर हम लोग ASA रूल ही यूज़ करेंगे तो अपन ये मान के चल रहे हैं कि ASA रूल ट्रू है, तो फिर ये गलत हो जाएगा. अपने को कोई दूसरा रूल प्रूफ लेना है, और ये प्रूव करना है कि ABC और DEF कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. अगर अपन ऐसा करते हैं तो ASA रूल भी प्रूव हो जाता है. So let us take the SAS rule. We will use the SAS rule because SAS rule, as given in the previous lecture, is one of the basic rules, and it is more of an axiom. It requires no proof. SAS requires no proof. So we will use the SAS criterion, and we are going to prove the ASA criterion with the help of SAS. So three cases arise over here. In case one, let AB, this side AB, be equal to DE. Let AB be equal to DE. It's not necessary that AB is equal to DE, but let AB is equal to DE in case 1. Okay, so AB and DE are same there. Okay, so what are we going to do here is that this implies AB is equal to DE, right? Then angle B is equal to angle E, that is given. Angle B is equal to angle E, which is given. And finally BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF, and that is also given. Okay, therefore by side angle side criterion, therefore by SAS criterion, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. I have taken the corresponding point. You should be very, very careful while writing down the corresponding notations, while writing down the congruence notation. So triangle DEF, there goes the proof. I have proved that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by assuming that AB is equal to DE. So that's our case 1. Let us look at case 2. What if AB is not equal to DE? इधर तो अपन बोल रहे हैं कि AB इक्वल टू DE. चलो लेट अस अज्यूम किसका क्या जाता है अगर AB इक्वल टू DE ले ले तो. लेकिन क्या होगा अगर AB और DE इक्वल नहीं हो तो? देन लेट अस कंसिडर केस 2. लेट अस कंसिडर let AB be greater than DE. AB DE से बड़ा है. Okay, now we'll prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Let AB be greater than DE. So we can draw the two triangles actually again. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now given that BC is equal to EF and these two angles are also equal, that's given. Angle B is equal to angle E. Okay, नाउ ए बी इज़ ग्रेटर दैन डी ई, मतलब ये जो ए बी की जो लेंथ है समझ लो 5 सेंटीमीटर है, तो डी की लेंथ रहेगी, डी ई की लेंथ रहेगी 4 सेंटीमीटर्स। तो अपन क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट ले लेते हैं, उसको पी लेबल करते हैं, ओके, एंड सच दैट द लेंथ ऑफ पी बी इज इक्वल टू द लेंथ ऑफ डी ई। मतलब ए बी 5 सेंटीमीटर है, वो डी ई से बड़ा है, तो अपन पी ई यहाँ से 1 सेंटीमीटर पे लेते हैं, तो पी बी 4 सेंटीमीटर बन जाएगा। नाउ पी बी इज इक्वल टू डी ई एंड लेट अस मेक अ न्यू triangle PBC. Okay, let us make a new triangle PBC, and now we also have that angle C is equal to angle F. Okay, angle C is equal to angle F. That is also given in the question. So PB is equal to DE. PB is equal to DE, 4 centimeter दोनों. Okay, and angle PBC is equal to angle PBC is equal to angle DEF. That's right. And finally BC is equal to EF. That's given in the question. Oh, sorry. BC is equal to EF. According to side angle side rule by SAS rule, triangle PBC is congruent to triangle DEF. If this relation is true, if triangle PBC is congruent to triangle DEF, then it should be necessarily that angle PCB should be equal to angle DFE. This is because triangle PBC and triangle DEF are corresponding triangles, congruent triangles, and the corresponding angles should also be equal. So in the reason we write corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Angle PCB should be equal to angle DFE. But what we are given is that angle ACB, but it is given that angle ACB is equal to angle ACB is equal to angle DFE is equal to angle DFE, which means that angle ACB is equal to angle DFE, right? And from here we have angle PCB is equal to angle DFE. Angle PCB is equal to angle DFE. Now both the things are equal to the same thing. This therefore angle ACB is equal to angle PCB. Note down, angle ACB is equal to angle PCB. Now when is this possible? When is angle ACB equal to angle PCB? According to the figure, angle PCB should always be less than angle ACB. PCB should always be less than angle ABC. But when is angle ACB equal to angle PCB? Angle ACB will only be equal to angle PCB when this happens only when P and A coincide. That's it. This happens only when P and A coincide, which means that P is actually the same point as that of A, which means that we should move P and bring it towards A. That's it. This again proves that P and A are same points. Therefore, if triangle PBC is congruent to triangle DEF, now P and A are the same point, so instead of P I can write A. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That's it. Let us look at the third case. In this case, in case 2, AB was greater than DE. In this case, AB is less than DE. So what you have to write in the examination is that if we consider a point P on DE, such that AB is equal to PE, then again, proceeding in the same manner as case 2, we can get triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, hence proved. Nothing else to write in case 3. But for your understanding, I'm just elaborating it. What you do here is that here we are assuming that DE is greater. DE AB से बड़ा है. So let us suppose DE is equal to 5 cm and AB is equal to 4 cm. So अपने को ये P एक ऐसा पॉइंट सेलेक्ट करना है जो कि DE पर है और EP का लेंथ है 4 cm. Now PE is equal to 4 cm, AB is equal to 4 cm. Angle B and angle E are equal, that's given in the question, and BC is equal to EF, that is also given in the question. This means that these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Similarly, जैसे कि अपन केस 2 में किए थे, अपन प्रूफ किए थे कि P और A कोइंसाइड हो रहे हैं, उसी तरह इस केस में भी ये प्रूफ कर सकते हैं कि P और A कोइंसाइड हो रहे हैं, और ये प्रूफ कर देंगे, then we will again get ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. But you have to write only the from here till here in the examination for case 3. So this is indeed a very long proof. Starts from here, comes right down till here, but again starts from the beginning, comes right down till the end. And no need to draw these two figures. The proof is just till here. So try to understand this one. If you understand this one, it's very good. But if you memorize this one, it's good. Just be happy, be patient, you will get it with time. And don't stop revising. That's it.